you're not using the gripper in your workshop, what are you waiting for? The gripper is the only adjustable push block that gives you 3 directions of control to protect your hands, prevent kickback, and make better cuts. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly on the table. Inward pressure keeps it tight to the fence to eliminate blade marks and prevent kickback. And smooth, consistent forward motion prevents burning on especially dense hardwoods. No other push block in the world offers this level of control, precision, and safety. Its powerful green grip gives you incredible traction on a wide variety of materials. The adjustable center leg allows the gripper to pass directly over the blade, controlling both the keeper and the offcut side of your workpiece through the entire cut. All with your hands safely clear the blade.
The Miterix Angle Duplicator from Bora Tools is the fast and accurate way to find, set, and fit molding and trim work. This simple tool can be quickly set to measure virtually any inside or outside corner. Corners in actual buildings are virtually never exactly 90 degrees. But the exact angle does not need to be known. The Miterix accurately records the physical corner, so knowing the degrees is not necessary. Once the angle is locked into the Miterix, one of the arms is removed, providing an accurate gauge that's exactly 1/2 of the included angle. The saw can now be set to the proper angle using the Miterix as the setup gauge. No math and no wasted stock. Both halves of the joint are cut based on the settings from the Miterix, resulting in a perfect fit even though the actual angle is never known. Homeowner or professional, running trim has never been easier than with the Miterix Angle Duplicator from Bora Tools.